Alright.
This is how you do smoke. When you smoking your food, you know, you got the grill door. You know, you see that? See your wieners? There's something small right now. You know, and this is how you do it. Look at this. Watch this. Watch this. Woo! Look at that dog, man. You know, you gotta do it like that. And that's how you look. That's how I look. Always. And never forget. Always flip your meat at all times. At all times, take your meat. This is how you do it. You bounce them back and forth. You close that right there. And go over here towards your grill. Flip your meat over. Just like that. Just like that. Pasta. And then infinite. No doubt, you're going to get the best sausages from us. Call us 832-516-0850. Shout out here, 96 degrees. What up? One more time, on your mind. Woo! Look at that up. Smoke. Smoke. One more time, you see me? Feeling good? Take the spit out one more time. See, this real smoke and barbecue. Damn barbecue. Check it out, check it out. Woo!